Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create the zoom and glow transition for your edits in CapCut. So here I'm using two photos, but you can always use more, or you can also use videos for this transition. And the first thing that you need to do is click on the transition box and add the pull-in transition that you can find under the camera category, this one, and adjust it for 0.3 seconds. Click on the check icon. Now go to the video effect, click on the nightclub category, and then add the vibrant glow effect. Okay, find it in here, vibrant glow. Okay, this one, and adjust it or set it for the entire clip. Just wait. Okay, just click on the check icon. Now add the second effect, which is the blur. Go to the video effect, click on the lens category and add the blur. So set it or put it in between the clip, the same with the transition, like this. So it's done, and this will be the result. Sorry, it's a bit laggy. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.